recording.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm out with Kevin, and we are near Hereford, Arizona, if you know where that is. I'm here and I don't know where it is. That's a pretty big dirt pile. You want to go out there and climb it, ain't you? I don't know. I think it'd be a little extreme.
That is pretty steep.
Yeah.
That'd be gnarly on an actual dirt bike.
No,
Could you imagine not knowing that it's like that steep and just drops over the other side and just trying to ramp up that sucker?
Oh,
Come
God.
flying off that other edge.
I don't know which way to go here.
Let's try the
What does
left.
this one say? What does that say?
No shooting.
Oh, okay. Well, we can handle that. Probably, oh, there's a gate down here.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say. I think I see a gate.
See what it is? That's what you chose. Let you choose, and that's what you get us into.
Hey, I chose to find out.
That's true.
Oh, Jesus. That rock come up out of nowhere. I didn't see it, but I felt it.
I don't know, but you don't want to be rubbing those bushes sticking out on the side of the trail. They poke you.
Yeah, I'm not trying to rub any bushes out here.
That's
I didn't even want to rub bushes in Missouri because they'd give me bumps.
Yeah, boy, baby. I tell you, like here, how would you take off out across there to the right or to the left out through there? Because, I mean, that's, you'd be poked full of holes. I mean, it'd flatten your tires.
Yeah, no, it'd just be grabbing you up. It'd hurt.
Yeah. I can tell you the road is getting a lot rougher the further we go.
Oh, yeah.
That's usually what happens.
Less population, the worse the road gets.
That's right, yeah. More houses, the one they, people turn off at the driveway, so it gets rougher the further you go. Less traveled. I'm way back here behind you.
Oh, yeah, you are.
I was trying to take it easy on them sharp edged rocks and not bust my front tire. I got the stuff to fix it flat, but I'd rather not. You can go. I'd rather not have to stop and fix it flat. I don't usually have flats. I'll say that now I have one, but I'm trying to think of the last time I've ever had a flat on anything. Motorcycle, vehicle, man, it's been, geez.
Well, I mean, flats ain't really, I mean, they're common, but they're not common.
I did have a flat on one of the 250Ls. It seemed like I got a nail in my tire. So did you, didn't you, on your...
Yeah, that was my 230 whenever we were riding those back roads out back by where Hap lives.
Yeah. Yeah, I got a nail in one of my tires one time, too.
I felt my saddlebag fly up and hit my butt.
Imagine.
Oh, there's a little trail right there. Whoa, the mountains look crazy. I didn't even see that.
That is wicked. I don't know why they're like that.
What in the world? It looks like the contour, like the lines or whatever on the...
Yeah, on the topo map. Yeah.
Yeah, the topo maps.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Now, see, here it shows we're off the trail. Like the trail, was there one to the left right there?
Yeah, it was like a Kirby trail that I was looking at.
Yeah, that's the road.
Yeah, it looks like someone made a trail by digging out this canyon right here, or this ledge.
We'll see what this is, I guess. Pretty cool. It probably goes with just somebody's driveway.
Probably.
Or maybe that road got so bad they made a new one through here.
Yeah, there's a couple houses out here. Man, that is just crazy. That's cool.
It shows we'll be back on the road right up here, the main road. And it T's left or right.
Is that the trail?
Probably. If we go left, it dead ends, but we can go left and look. This has got to be it right here.
Yeah, that's the dead end right there, I think.
Where?
Is this property?
That looks like a private property. Yeah, that's a private property.
Is that trail on the property? Or is that a road that goes through?
It looks like the road is right here, this. I never seen a road. This is the road right here, this way, and this way. It says Avenue H.
That's crazy.
You want to go left or go that way? I guess we'll go that way.
I don't know.
We'll go
I'm already down this way.
I don't have no idea. Left just goes up toward the mountains.
Well, I'd like to go that way. See if we can go up in the mountain.
I mean, it says it's a road, Avenue H. What kind of a road name is that? Boy, look at them stickers. Holy mackerel.
Yeah, Avenue H, Avenue Hell.
Avenue H stands for hell. I don't think anybody drives this road at all. I can't because, I mean,
No.
you would at least scrape the brush with your vehicle and knock some of the brush back. My goodness, thorns everywhere.
Yeah, no, I'm avoiding them as much as possible. I'm just sticking my foot out and grabbing any of the ones that are like hanging in front of me.
There's a house out here.
Why do I feel like that trail over that hill led to this trail? Probably did. That's probably his, like, back entrance.
Maybe. Damn. Keep hitting my mirrors. I need to turn my mirrors in, I guess. He wills. Like we're going to bypass that house, maybe?
Yeah. Ooh, look at this. Enduro.
Uh-oh.
Holy crap.
Is it doable?
Oh, I hit my... Yeah, don't hit your...
You cased it?
Yeah.
Well, at least you got a good skid plate.
That's what I was about to say. Thank God I got a skid plate. Yeah, I barely tapped it right there on that rock.
Dang, Kevin. What the heck are you doing?
It's not what I'm doing, it's what the bike's doing.
You was all over the dang place there. Holy cow. I mean...
Yeah, no, I thought I was going down, not gonna lie.
Well, I thought you was too. Ain't no doubt.
Woo! Practice. I'm determined to not go down.
I do believe that road stands for Avenue Hale. Hang on a minute. You're about to lose my range here.
Stands for Avenue. What the heck is this?
Holy cow.
Oh, that's their property gate right there.
Yeah. Now we're back on more of a road.
Yeah, no. See, this is how they get there, not that stupid trail.
Yeah,
I was wondering. I was like, there's no way they take this through their house every day. They have to have some kind of a little, like, Suzuki rock crawling thing or something.
There's nobody going through that very often. There ain't nobody going through there very often.
Yeah, obviously. That's something that just people every once in a while probably take a four-wheeler on or something.
Well, we're headed back out of here. I guess we've been through hell and back.
Yep.
My goodness.
Wait, does that road connect back to this?
I don't see.
That was that left, because you come up here, it goes straight or to the left, and that left cuts straight onto this.
Oh, really?
I don't even think that's a road. That's a freaking creek bed.
Well, we're not. It don't even show the road on the map.
Yeah, I don't think that's a road. That looks like a creek bed. Look at it. Like, turn around and look.
Well, yeah, I see it. But I'm saying it's not on the map. It shows that other one that you was on going that way.
Huh. That's weird.
I guess we'll just go on up through here and see. Part of the adventure. Got some up there. I don't know if that's a house. Yeah, there's some houses up here, brother. Don't think they have any electricity out here.
Probably not.
Now we're back onto the road. Right here, because there it is right there. So let me see where this goes. Okay, it does come out of here, I guess. I guess I said. You notice I said I guess.
Man, look at that up there in the mountain. Some holes and stuff.
Thinking it's like it's broke out of there.
That'd be cool to go explore that.
Yeah. Weird. Them rocks out of there must be laying down the bottom somewhere.
I think you can see them down through there.
Yeah, yeah, that's probably them.
Like spread out all the way down through there. Them real big gray spots.
Mm-hmm. They pretty much have to be. Yeah, that one had to have been a wash. Because, I mean, it was a rock bed is all it was.
Yeah, I turned around and looked at it, and just based off of the road and that, it looked like that was just a creek bed.
Uh-oh, what have we got out here, Walt? Yeah, them making crystal. I see the RV out there.
I thought we were blocked off for a second. Oh, that's a drop off. Oh man, that was like the perfect slanted little rock.
Oh, to jump?
Yeah. I was just paying attention to these rocks up here.
We're dang near to that mountain.
Yeah, I know. Is that a trail that, does this go up there?
Ain't no way.
If this does, I'm gonna freak out. That's cool.
Ain't no way. You're not gonna climb it if it does. It'd be too steep. I mean, you could go for a ways till you get to the bottom of it. That'd be about the end of your ride. Holy cow, this is pretty cool.
I bet you that's where Indians lived or something. I almost want to freaking park down here and walk up there.
Pretty sweet, yeah. You can do that and I'll stay down here.
Wait, you don't want to walk up there?
Heck no. I think
part
when you
of
get
the
up there, you're going to find out it's a lot steeper than it looks. Okay, guys, going to end this video here. Thank you all for watching Woodzman Adventures. Subscribe down below and click the thumbs up. Check out my links below. Catch y'all on the next adventure. Right on.